नमस्कार, पळूया इंडियन ऑयल प्रुडंट टेनिस क्रिकेट. इंडियन ऑयल प्रुडंट क्रिकेट टोर्नामेंट सुरू. ग्रुप एत सेंट कायतान मेर्शेची जैतान सलामी. पणजे कंपाला ग्राउंडार सुरू आशिल्ल्या सर्तीत सेंट कायतानान कुंडनेश्वर टीमीक 7 रनांनी मारले. सेंट कायतानान पयली बॅटिंग करून 6 ओव्हरींनी 5 आउट 67 रन काडले. कुंडनेश्वर टीम 60 मेरेनूच पावली. सेंट कायतानाचो इरफान मॅन ऑफ द मॅच. सोमारा ग्रुप एच्यो मॅची जाल्यो.
स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवाचे प्रोजेक्ट ऑफिसर मोनिका लोबो ए दोरादो, कॅप्टन
दुसरे मॅचीत यूथ 11 कालिका कुणे टीमीक 41 रनांनी धाडायले. यूथ 11 पयली बॅटिंग करतना 6 ओव्हरींनी 3 विकेटीचे बदला 83 रन काडिल्ले. कालिका टीम 5 विकेटी वगडावन 42 रनाचेरूच काडून पावली. 44 रन काडिल्लो यूथ 11चो अनंत मांद्रेकर मॅन ऑफ द मॅच. यूथ 11 टीम क्वार्टर फायनलीक पावली. पहिल्या प्री क्वार्टर फायनलीत यूथ 11 सेंट कायतान मेर्शेक 2 विकेटींनी मारले. पहिले बॅटिंग करतना सेंट कायतान मेर्शेन 6 आउट 28 रन काडिल्ले. यूथ 11 8 विकेटी वगडावन 5 बॉल दवरून टार्गेट गाठले. यूथ 11 पांडुरंग मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Good ball. This is such a good delivery. This time catches the call. And it's a wonderful shot. It's a big one. That's smart. What's happening? Just for the moment I thought it's a couple down there, but all is right, all is well. उठाकर मारने का प्रयास and the ball will land safely. Just look at the number of fielders running towards the ball. India's soft dismissal. Oh my God!
Very first ball up in there. What excellent catch! This is beautiful. The very first ball of playing for it. This is exactly what I was talking about. Well, Dave, this is the second wicket from Sandeep. Shot of it once again full, no good timing. Once again the field is beneath it there to the surprise. And diving effort there from the fielder. Oh, fine edge, and yes, the big one pointing towards the spot. This could be another wicket here. Yes, it is. No need to run. Great shot, good hit. But that's gone all the way. Congratulations, Youth 11. They have finished up the very first ball in style. The ball is out of the park. It's huge, high, handsome.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक. ग्रुप एतल्या पहिले राऊंडाच्या तिसरे मॅचीत वेर्णेकर वॉरियर्सांनी राष्ट्रोळी वेदांताक बरे बॉलिंगाच्या नेटार हरयले. पहिली बॅटिंग करतना वॉरियर्सान 9 आउट 60 रन काढले. राष्ट्रोळी वेदांत 4 विकेटी वगडावन 33 रनां मेरेनूच पावले. वॉरियर्साचो सिद्ध वेर्णेकर मॅन ऑफ द मॅच. ग्रुप एत पहिल्या राऊंडाच्या निमाणे मॅचीत SK जॉगिंग टीमीन रवळनाथ क्रिकेटर्सांक 8 विकेटींनी मारले. रवळनाथ क्रिकेटर्सान पहिली बॅटिंग करून 5 आउट 53 रन काडिल्ले. SK जॉगिंगाचे 2 विकेटी वगडावन जैत जोडले. SK जॉगिंगाचो नेहल मांद्रेकर मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Half volley and played straight down the ground. No fielder there. The ball will race away to the boundary. Once again a lofted shot. Enough bat on there. It looks like yes. That's going to clear the ground. That's a big six. It's wide. It's beautiful. Beginning of the second over. Oh, lovely shot once again. Good swing, but finds the fielder this time. Come on to see. Oh, just enough. No, straight to the fielder. Suraj Naik is departed. Sitting in. Oh, look at that beauty. Right in the block hole, and Rohit Patil clean bowled. Every ball into runs. Oh, lofted shot from Saish Gurav, and what a timing this is. Look at the beauty. Not easy for the right-handed bowler. Oh, reverse this time. Look at the beauty and the talent. And what a shot this is once again.
So 54 is what they need to chase. Still, you can say no, we can chase it, but on the other hand side, Ravalnath they say. And what an excellent catch! What? Reverse sweep, successfully done it. Take a bow. Reverse sweep and yes! In next two balls. And yes, he has done it. He has finished it.
वेर्णेकर वॉरिसांचेर दणदणीत जैत जोडून SK जॉगिंग क्वार्टर फायनलीन पावले. पयली बॅटिंग करतना वेर्णेकर वॉरियर्स फक्त 24 रनाचेर ऑल आउट. SK जॉगिंगान एक विकेटीचे बदले जैत जोडले. तांचो धनेश आवटे मॅन ऑफ द मॅच. SK जॉगिंगान क्वार्टर फायनलींतूय जबरदस्त खेळ करीत सेमी फायनलीन सुवात जोडली. यूथ 11 पयली बॅटिंग करतना 6 विकेटी वगडावन 36 रन काडूंक पावले. SK जॉगिंगान 11 बॉल आणि 9 विकेटी दवरून जैत जोडले. तांचो धनेश आवटे परत एकदा मॅन ऑफ द मॅच.
Slow one, look at that beauty, appeal, loud shot, the very first ball, LBW, Rahul is departed. Oh, biscuit shot, could be another wicket here. Raku got a safest pair of hands. Ball is up in there and Nihal is a good catcher. And another wicket goes down. 65 to 70 or something beyond 70. Good lift and straight to the fielder. Look at it, how easy they make it look. The difficult catch.
Against side like this. Straight down the ground. Can fielder cut it off? No, he cannot. It's a boundary. And what a great start. This time he connects it well. Absolutely no chance to anybody down there. They are in a hurry. SK Joggings. And you just cannot ask anything better than that. Huge! And when there is no one, you just cannot expect anything better than that of our life. And just a single to level the score. And he finishes off in a style. In fact, no. Just for the moment, I thought that he will finish it off in a style, but
इंडियन ऑइल प्रुडंट टेनिस सर्तीच्यो खबरो घेऊन परत मेळया. फॉलो करात प्रुडंट, पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.